If you've played around with IRSA Viewer a little, you may notice that depending on what you're doing, the images seem to jump around a lot. As you continue to pick different sources in the plot or in the catalog, the image jumps to a different location. This may seem initially disconcerting, but it's actually quite powerful. What's going on is pan by table row is turned on. What this does is automatically slew the images to center whatever object I've clicked on, whether it's an object from the table or an object from the plot. This is powerful because if you're trying to inspect individual sources in the image, it's a whole lot easier to have the images jump to your location rather than scrolling around on the image yourself to find it. But if that's not what you want, you can always turn off pan by table row. Note too that you can ask it to center on the target you searched on, center on the center of the image itself, or go to any arbitrary position that you enter in here, or go to that position and leave a mark. It also keeps a short history of the recent positions you've jumped to. Note also that in this example, I've locked these images by WCS before doing this. By default, if you've just loaded images, it might not be locked by WCS, in which case you need to do that. It's not just IRSA Viewer that does that. Most of the IRSA tools that have this same look and feel, as long as you have this pull down, it has this option. Keep in mind too that there's always online help with more information about that and other features of IRSA Viewer and friends.